How to get a BeenVerified free trial. BeenVerified, a popular background check and public records search service, does not currently offer a free trial directly on their platform. However, you can explore limited free access or discounted offers through the following methods. Step 1. Visit BeenVerified's official website. Go to www.beenverified.com in your browser. Explore their plans to see current pricing and any promotional offers. Step 2. Look for discounted subscriptions. BeenVerified may occasionally offer first-time users a discounted trial period at a reduced cost. These offers are typically displayed on their subscription page. Step 3. Use third-party offers. Partner websites. Check deal websites like Groupon or similar platforms that may offer a discounted trial for BeenVerified. Bundle offers. Some credit monitoring or identity protection services may bundle BeenVerified access as part of their subscription. Step 4. Sign up for an account. Create an account by entering your email and creating a password. Choose the subscription plan that suits your needs. Monthly plan, 3-month plan. If a discounted or promotional offer is available, it will be reflected in your total. Step 5. Add payment information. Enter your credit or debit card details. You can cancel the subscription at any time to avoid recurring charges. Step 6. Explore BeenVerified services. Once subscribed, you can use BeenVerified's tools such as background checks, reverse phone lookup, address and email searches. Step 7. Cancel before renewal, if needed. Log into your BeenVerified account. Navigate to account settings, manage subscription. Select cancel subscription to stop recurring payments. By following these steps, you can explore BeenVerified services with minimal cost or seek alternative options to meet your background check needs.